Ever tried barbecued hammers? Or how about pine cone jam? Let's go today to harvest some very young red pine cones so we can make a delicious jam that'll be sure to impress your next party guests. Well, it is that time of year again to do a little bit of harvesting of my red pine cones. My last video took off. It was a really hilarious TikTok about eating hammers, and people are like, well, I eat pine cones. So my video took off last year. I just want to show you guys again how to make pine cone jam. This is what we're after, these little tiny pine cones. These are the adult pine cones of the red pine here. So I take them, they're about the size of a thumbnail. And you just gently kind of twist them off. And then we're going to cook these and put them into jam. I know it sounds weird, but it's delicious. After rinsing, make sure to cut the little ends off of the pine cones. Here I have it on some brie cheese. It's best to eat this stuff with something fatty to cut the resinous flavor. Doesn't that look delicious? Let's give it a try. Very good. I used a lot of cinnamon and cloves this year, so it's extremely flavorful. And you can taste the little pine cones. Look, you can't eat these. And they're really soft. You can see that. It tastes very, very, very piney. So delicious. Try it out. Remember that not all pines are created equal. You shouldn't be eating too many different kinds of pines. Some of them are toxic. I just stick to red pine. They're really great. They're really tasty, really flavorful. So let me know if you've tried this out down below in the comments. And it's better than eating hammers. Have a great week. Take care. Bye for now.